Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the gender on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon, go to the profile, tap on edit info, scroll down. Here you can see edit about info. Just tap on here. Now scroll down and here you can see basic info. Under basic info you can see the gender. Let's tap on edit and here you can select your gender. If you are female, just select on female. If you are male, just tap on male. Or if other, so there are other options. So this is how you can easily change your gender on your Facebook account. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.